Hello and welcome. This is Joyce, Odidison, interpersonalwellness.com, and you are here because you are part of the emotional wellness program, and we're going to challenge ourselves to be emotionally well. One of the things you will know is that our emotions come up and they change quite rapidly. You could be happy because this happened, because somebody smiled at you, and sad because somebody, looked at you cross. So our emotions will change. Our job is to decide which emotions we're going to anchor with, which ones we're going to keep around, and which ones we want to share with others. So in our emotional wellness program, we're going to start off by recognizing that our emotions have magical forces. Have you ever encountered someone who was angry? What do? They're angry and they're upset at you. It's very likely that it will be contagious and you will end up feeling out of sorts. You may not necessarily become angry, but you will be out of sorts because we have mirror neurons. As humans, we mirror the emotions of those we are interacting with. Our loved ones, our colleagues at work, our spouses, our children. If someone we care for or spend a lot of time with is experiencing a particular emotion, we are going to mirror it. And knowing that, it's an enormous opportunity for us to ensure that what we're passing on and these magical forces of our emotions are under our control. So let's get started. We're going to start with day one, and we're going to look at the emotion that we're going to focus on and what we're going to counter that with. Okay, we'll come right back with day one. Let's get started.